Hello guys, welcome back to my channel in English Academy. Guys, in this video we will study about the essay, a bookish topic which was written by the famous author R.K. Narayan. So guys, before studying about the essay bookish topic, we must know about a little introduction of the author R.K. Narayan. So guys, we will study about the author R.K. Narayan. So let's start now. Guys, R.K. Narayan was born in 1906 in Madras to a school teacher of a village named Rasipuram. Guys, his father name was Krishnaswamy Iyer. Hence, the R in his name stands for Rashipuram and K for his father Krishnaswamy. In place of Narayan Swami, he calls himself Narayan. As a student, Narayan was not brilliant. He failed both in high school and intermediate examinations. He graduated at the age of 24 from Maharaja College, Mysore in 1930. Then he worked as a clerk to support his family and then as a teacher in a village school. But he didn't like jobs. He wanted to be a writer, so he gave up the jobs after some time. He started writing as a journalist. His first novel, Swami and Friends, was published in 1935. The most important event of his life took place in 1935 when he met his future wife, Raju. For the first time, he fell in love with her at first sight. Then he went to the girl's father, Nageshwar Iyer, and proposed marriage. Guys, the girl's parents, impressed by his frankness and honesty, agreed to the marriage. He had a daughter named Hema. His wife died in 1935 and 1939. For 6 years after his terrible loss, Naran didn't write any novel. His major novels, The English Teacher, which was published in 1945, preceded by the volume of short stories like Malgudi Days. Dodo and Other Stories, which was published in 1943, and Cyclone and Other Stories, which was published in 1944. Thereafter appeared An Astrologer's Day and Other Stories. His novels, The Guide, received the Sahitya Academic Award in 1990. The novel has been filmed. Narayan was awarded Padma Bhushans in 1969. Guys, he has keen eye for the comic in life around him. Irony, the most powerful literary device used by Narayan to convey the incongruity and the contradictions between reality and appearance. He has successfully established himself as a creative writer who balances the roles of a spokesman of a community that of the free spirit of a writer. He pays considerable attention to personal experience. His childhood experience have given him raw material for the creations of his characters. With his deep understandings of psychology of children, the delineations of child characters adds a new dimensions to his growth as an artist. In 1967, the University of Leeds conferred on him the degree of honorary literature in 1973. Guys, now we will study about a little introduction to the essay, a bookish topic. Guys, R.K. Narayan's essay entitled A Bookish Topic is a lively comment on the borrowers of books. Guys, in this essay, the author describes a common experiences of all those persons who have books which many people like to read. Such people, when they see a book which they like, borrow it and after that forget to return the book. Either they lost the book or time it to someone else and then forget about it. But the owner of the book is disturbed. He might need the book. He tries to have it back from the borrower who fails to return it on some pretext on or the other. He calls such a person a book pirate. The borrower ceases to be his friend in spite of his best efforts. He doesn't get his book. He gives a general suggestion to people who own good books. He writes, if you love your book, don't lend it to anyone on earth. This ought to be one's guiding principle. Guys, this essay is replete with delicate irony and gentle humor.